Welcome Monster Truck fans to Monster Truck Classics, and I'm going to unbox my Greenlight Collectibles Bigfoot #1, the original monster truck from 1974, the F250 limited edition 1/18 scale adult collectible from Greenlight Collectibles. Beautiful box to start off with in the Kings of Crunch series. This is the biggest that they have come out with the trucks in the 1/18 scale. Here's the other side of the box. The price on these 1/18 scales trucks is $109.99, so it's a pretty hefty price tag, but it's gonna be beautiful. Now, Bigfoot, the body is a 1979 Ford F250, the chassis 1974 F250, the engine 640 cubic inch V8, transmission a C6, axles 5-ton military, shocks 14 gas cell, tires Firestone 48 inches, the weight approximately 11,000 pounds. Hood, doors, and tailgate are functional to expose highly detailed parts and accessories. Bigfoot, my favorite monster truck of all time. Here's the top of the package. That's awesome. Nice detail with that. Kings of Crunch. And then that's the bottom of the box. But I'll have to find out how to open it. I think I'm going to open it from this side. So let's go ahead and do this. Wow. Here is Bigfoot out of the box with the 48-inch Firestone tires, and it was heavy to take out. This thing is heavy, and so let's go ahead and I'll just turn it around so you can see it. This is the side where the driver sits. Pretty cool. The graphics on this thing is really beautiful. We have Bigfoot 4x4x4, the original monster truck, on the door, and on the side then there's Firestone, and then there's that little Bigfoot, and even way back here it says Ranger XLT. Up front on the side of the hood we have the Summit Racing equipment. See some of the lights also, powered by a Ford 640. There we go with the back. It has www.bigfoot4x4.com on the tailgate. Midwest four-wheel drive center right there. There are no directions, so I'm guessing I just pull down on this. I finally got the tailgate down. I didn't want to really do a lot of hard pulling or anything like that. It even has a foot step up right here so people can get up into the truck. This door opens up. It has side mirrors. This is also supposed to crank open, and boy, look at that inside to see the motor. We'll close that down. So here is the front of the truck, and on the front windshield we have Bigfoot 4x4x4 on the windshield and footsteps on either side. Bigfoot, and there's a hook, and the KC lights where it's supposed to be. Down below on there we have the 4x4x4. Let's see what it looks like with the hood up. Let's take a look inside Bigfoot. You can see the steering wheel, all the controls on the panel and down below also. The shocks are blue. A lot of detail going into the engine. Here's a shot inside of the bed. The black is plastic. There we have a extra batteries and gas tank. Here's a look inside the passenger side of the truck. Here's a look on the other side of the motor. Well, that ends this unboxing and review of the Greenlight Collectibles Bigfoot 1 Limited Edition 1/18 scale adult collectible die-cast in the Kings of Crunch by Greenlight Collectibles. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thank you for tuning in.